Leave them behind. Long as I get it, I never be broke. Can't go to sleep, man, I gotta stay woke. Thumbing through checks, tearing up envelopes. Married to money, we alone. You boys can't see me, y'all need telescopes. I'm out of this world, this world. I'm on these girls, I'm rocking they world. My veins and merls, ain't what you used to. I get up early, go harder than you do. I stay connected, just like a Bluetooth. I'm well respected, I am the guru. Niggas be foo-foo, played out just like football. Niggas be foo-foo, played out just like football. Rely on a woman, I don't fear no man. Sell to whoever, I don't spare no man. I ain't have nothing, I ain't see no man. Now all of a sudden I flash like my phone, now dudes they look.
What's up YouTube? What's up DM Mafia? This your girl NESHA and I'm back with another banger, y'all, and I got a special guest.
What's up YouTube? What's up PS Crew? This your girl Pay.
Yes, y'all, and we, as y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail, y'all, we came together and we doing the what? The Ratchet
Together.
That's gonna be lit, y'all, cause on their channel she did it, y'all. Go check it out. And if y'all ain't check mine out, y'all gotta check mine out. So you know what I'm saying, we thought we was lit, so we came together and did it, y'all. Well, we about to do it.
Yeah, we about to prank Dolce and Shine.
Yeah, so they back at the house, at our house, y'all. And me and Pay, they ruined our, well, Pay did too. Ruined our nail date. So I thought it'd be a perfect revenge, y'all, to say we want to get our nails done. But see, we did them ourselves, little pop-ons real quick.
Just to get everything right so we can go back and prank them.
Yep, y'all. So now, we're supposed to be going out to eat. So that's going to be our excuse. But me and Pay, y'all, we took a little long time doing our fake nails. So, you know, we snuck off and ate already. So we ain't really that hungry.
Don't say that. Don't say that.
But yeah, y'all. It's about to be lit, y'all. So I'm about to pull up at the house. I'm about to get that reaction, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. It's about to be lit.
Don't want to miss it. It's about to be a banger. Like a real life banger. Like real talk.
Yes. Oh yeah. And don't forget to go subscribe to Pay and Shine channel, y'all. They lit over there, you know what I'm saying? This is my homie right here. So they reached 100K. Good.
Thank you.
So let's get on farther than that, y'all.
Thank you. Appreciate the love, everybody. Let's go. Let's get it.
Let's go, y'all.
It's really funny as well. Yeah.
Why you beeping that hard?
Cause come on.
Where's Shine at?
Yeah, go inside.
Go to the bed.
In the bag. Cause my girl up here. I'm cute. Get your ass in the bag. Girl.
Get in.
Taking all day just standing there. Shit, we hungry.
What I'm back here for? What y'all doing?
What?
Nobody be sitting in the back seat and none of that shit.
We about to go get
What
something
you
to
dressed like
eat.
that for? What y'all doing? What you got a bonnet on and shit?
You like our nails?
Y'all like our nails?
Let me see
Yeah.
that.
Y'all sitting in the bed. What the fuck is that? What is that?
Don't ever
wear it.
I'm
To go
trying
to
to
this
take
ain't
that
dead.
shirt off. What you
That's
mean?
shitty. What the fuck is this? Like this ain't your.
Hey, did you say my shit look good?
This shit was good.
Bitch, stop playing. Like,
We about to go out to eat, so just relax.
close the door.
I'm not about to close the door because I'm not about to go nowhere with you looking like this and then you got paid for looking like an old.
Pay said I was
Hold
cute.
up, hold
Hey,
up.
out of here.
Hold up. Don't do that. Don't do that because I'm fly. We got the special.
with them long ass nails. Like what them nails gonna do?
Show 'em right.
Y'all gonna sit in the front of this little
Here
goofy.
right now. Y'all ain't act like this when y'all left.
They goofy.
Are y'all
Cause you wanna get cute.
When you start wearing eyelashes.
I've been wearing them to my
Then she got a
home
little
girl.
paint on the
Yeah.
tip.
Y'all
like she
want
got
some
a bit.
gum?
Let me
I
get a
did.
piece.
We got gum on flakes on
definitely
this
get a
bitch.
piece
You
of
need
gum.
some gum?
It's hot in here.
You don't need no gum?
What's wrong with you?
He don't need no gum?
Get
Why
some
you so
gum.
loud?
My homegirl offered you some gum.
Thank
Get some
you.
gum. Don't be
Thank you.
rude. Get some gum.
Just
Why
sit
you
back
acting
there
like
like he
this
can't
all
hear.
Are
You
you
loud as fuck. Why you so loud?
Cause
Cause I don't appreciate it.
Microwave
Every day I want no gum.
You don't want no gum. You don't want no
What?
gum.
She keep asking me the same question. Every day I want no
Don't
gum.
be rude to
Who
my
you
homegirl.
talking to?
Y'all need
You
to
don't
get
know
out.
me.
Y'all need to
Exactly.
get out this car.
I
I
would pop these earrings, nails, and all that off. You don't know me. Then you better tell your boy.
You should stop playing with me.
Tell your boy.
Listen, you talking to
Ain't nobody
punk
doing
like you a
nothing like
wrestler
it.
or something. Like, come on now.
No.
We about to go. Let's
Where we
go.
going?
Then why you scratching your head like that? Like your shit itch. Your shit
My
on
shit
got a
itch.
wig on. The fuck?
Man.
He be trying to play you.
And then she
Sean,
all
don't
the
get
fuck.
beat up.
Take that
Sean,
shot.
don't get beat up.
We
Do
don't
not
do
touch
that.
my
Exactly.
shit.
No,
I'm tired.
Also,
Because it
The
match.
brain aneurysm.
She just got her shit laid. Don't do
Why
that.
so
Why you
shiny?
so loud and you got some green ass gum hanging out your mouth? What the fuck you doing? Slide?
Popping it.
Pop a gum.
Hey, her
Popping
lip
what?
gloss popping,
All
everything.
that.
Big ass pink glasses in your head.
You mad?
Come on now.
Baby, you
Yeah,
mad?
the fuck? Yeah, look at y'all. You got me sitting in the
Get
back
out,
like I'm
'cause I'm
a
straight.
baby.
Sean, or just to the side.
Like I'm a
Don't let me
little
rise
ass
up. Don't let me rise
Yeah,
up
what
on
you
my
doing?
chair.
Let me see.
Take that
What
off.
you
No,
doing?
I'm
Them little
wearing
ass
this
shorts?
today.
Daisy, do.
No.
Come back here. Let him sit in the
Daisy,
front.
I'm with my
Yeah,
girl.
let me
Why
get in
you
the
in the
front. Why
front
I'm like,
though?
yeah.
Why you in the front? Come in the back. Your dude in the back.
She don't want to be with Close the
I'm in the
door.
front right now, about to get started. I'm telling
Come
you
in
right now.
Yeah, we hungry.
You should let me in the front right now.
Come in the back.
Yo,
Yes.
What
What are
you
you
saying?
doing?
They cute.
Pink ass lips, purple ass lips.
You want me to get in the bag?
No.
Okay.
No.
The fuck?
No.
She said don't get in
Show
the bag.
don't.
But you're not going home with her though.
Yeah,
You going home
you
with
did.
me.
It don't matter.
What the
It
fuck you
don't
mean?
matter.
You going home with me
You
though.
gonna
Heavy
Yeah.
ass earrings, the fuck?
Don't worry about it.
That's cute. They cute.
We got it from the store
They
today.
Come on,
cute.
They salty. Like, why
long
are you
ass
so salty?
1960 earrings and shit. Fuck wrong with them. Come on now. Poetic justice earrings.
I'm
Fuck wrong with
stuck
y'all.
right now.
Nah.
I'm trying to figure out who
The
this
fuck?
person is.
Why
It's
you
me,
smacking
baby.
that gum looking at me
I
like
don't know
that?
this person.
Yes, you do.
Cause you
You
look
want to suck me or
good.
something?
I
What?
do. You look
Like,
good.
Come on, nigga, we want to go in the house.
You look good
What you
as
talking
fuck
about?
right there, boy.
I'm about to say like this.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Hey. Can't wait for you. I know how it be. See, my dude hating on me. He don't like it. I don't like
Sit down, sit down.
it.
Shit,
Act
shit
like
about
you
to be
like
like that,
it.
though.
Is this
Shit
a new
Why?
style?
Yes.
Since when?
I mean,
Her hair is
turn
wet
it
as fuck under there.
I ain't
got
talking to you. I
eyelashes
ain't
on
talking,
and
I'm
shit.
talking to her.
Who you talking to?
Her, your
Not
Hey, you better get him, Ray. You better get him, Ray. Ray, you better get him.
Or jump to the side.
For real?
Calm down with my homegirl. For real.
Man.
Calm
Don't do
down
that.
before you break my front seat, man.
Uh-uh.
You turning
Shut
around.
Don't you for real because
You
she
turning
about to
around,
know
spitting this and you about to get one in my eye.
Both of y'all can
Hold
get
it.
it.
Hold it. There's
Both
too
of
much
y'all
spit
can
in
get
this
it.
car right now. I'm telling you right now. It's coronavirus out here. No, I'm telling you right now.
And when it ain't me,
Well, I don't know who
it
y'all
ain't
been
me.
around.
Why you talking to me before I do
She
something?
turned around.
Because y'all was coming at my girl.
Almost smelled in my
Coming at
seat.
your car.
I'm sorry.
Damn.
I'm ready to go eat.
The
But
fuck?
you
You're not
ain't
talking
eating
to my
that.
girl like that. Don't be disrespectful. I don't like that.
Ain't nobody said nothing disrespectful.
Yes,
Yeah.
you did.
What I
Yes,
say?
you did.
He did.
See, man, because they're bonnet little.
Her bonnet cute as fuck.
And you mad because you got some big ass glasses.
So you ride for her?
Nah.
Take the shower,
Yeah, take that shit
shower
off.
I'm not
cap off.
taking it off.
Take the fucking shower cap off.
Yeah, take that
What
shit
the
off.
fuck?
Take that shower
What
cap
is you
off.
gonna do?
I just want to eat.
I'm like that shit.
I just want
That's how I
to eat.
I'm
want
not
to
going
wear
nowhere.
it.
The door ain't even about to be closed.
See,
We
Yeah.
want some shrimp. We
The
want
child
some
on this door and I'm not
shrimp.
about to get stuck
You
in
want
it.
some shrimp?
And steak.
Steak and
What
shrimp.
is
So you
that?
got
Yes.
ratchet like that, scrap.
Is y'all going?
So you really about to do some ratchet shit again. So this is a little prank again.
No, this ain't even no
This
prank
for real.
today. Like we was like,
This ain't
I
never
was like,
been
hey.
They ain't never thinking they about to
I was
dress
like,
like this.
hey, you was raw as fuck when you was acting right.
And that's all I told you. Yeah.
I'm like, girl, we got it. That's us.
Y'all up there
That's
just chilling
made
like
for
a
us.
motherfucker. That's us. That's us. What the fuck is you doing? Damn.
I did call and
Let's
told you that
see.
last night.
You
So you
did.
was like, let me do your
You calling something her
nails.
what?
And hook me up.
Yes.
So
Y'all
your
nails
Hold
ain't
on, put my
did.
glasses
your
on.
nails not done though.
Yeah,
They
they
nails
are.
not did.
You got color under it. That's not how I go.
They did.
That's not how I go though.
Yeah.
That's how I wanted
Oh, that's
it.
color up under that
You
motherfucker?
are
I
jealous.
thought that was on top of
We
the
gotta
nail.
get that done.
We
So them-
did it. Don't worry about
See,
You
it.
did yourself?
No.
Ugly.
This is not no
Ugly.
real.
What nail shop I go to? Who
I
did
This is
that?
not no. Your nails fucked up, Nisha.
We
Y'all got
went
that
to
shit done
They
today.
different
Shaniqua.
than Nathan. The bitch about to fall off the pole.
Shaniqua got us together.
I got that shit done on the porch.
Them bitches
So?
No,
roll like
Shaniqua
money. I'm
did
telling you, you gotta get rid
She got a
of
shop
them.
at her porch.
It's my little cousin sister.
Was she shopping her porch?
So don't worry about it.
Let's see who can make the biggest bubble. Let's see who can make the
Let me get
biggest
up there.
bubble.
Crazy.
You know
I
how
gotta
to
get in
make
the
a
back.
bubble?
Yeah, I gotta get in the back.
bag.
I gotta get in the back.
Out of what? Some motherfucking juicy fruit?
Can you open the door?
Let her out. Come on.
Hey, you
Oh,
ain't
get back here.
rushing
Come on,
me.
get back here. Come on, let me talk to you.
Girl, he just want to get some. He wants some. Hey, you look good.
Stop encouraging this, Nisha.
Why? She look good.
Come here.
Come on, baby.
When I'm getting in the car,
I'm
for?
gonna take these
We gotta eat.
Hold on.
I'm saying like y'all ain't about to go like this though.
What's wrong with me?
I'm taking shit off.
What's wrong with me? I thought I was cute.
I don't like none
You
of
do
this.
look cute and all that, but you ain't about to be wearing that type of shit. You look cute like this though. I think I want you to wear like this.
Lip gloss check. Lip
I
gloss check.
got
Now you loud. Damn, I don't want her behind me. She's too loud
Lip
and
gloss
begging.
check.
Where my shit? Where my shit?
Your shit.
You too loud too. Why y'all so loud? Y'all
What?
get migraine, headache, all that, aneurysm and all that.
Shut up. Shut up.
Gloss set. What is that?
The more lip gloss,
What is
the
you
better.
doing? What is that? She gloss?
She gloss. She do it for
When you
you.
about to kiss?
She gloss. She the fuck
That's
up.
way too much.
Now listen.
That's how I like
Stop playing with me. I'm gonna go take that shit
Now
off.
listen.
You got a napkin. You got way too much.
You got some money because
Some money.
I got $10.
Hey.
Fake ass money. Like what you
And
about
I
to
can't
get
do-
with this? The fuck? This little ass fake ass. What you about to get? A little
I
ass
want
dick?
some
The
scrimp.
fuck?
I want
No.
some scrimp. You got something to add with this?
Stop playing with me. Get that on my face. Get that little ass money in my face right now. I'm telling you right now.
Do you need me to call my side nigga?
No, man,
Do you want me to call my side nigga? Cause he'll do it.
You better be
And
different.
that's how I feel too. I feel like you being funny right now and you not respecting.
Hello? Hey, boo.
Don't leave.
Yeah,
Don't
my main nigga acting dumb.
leave. Stay with
Hey,
me.
He acting dumb.
Get me out of here.
No, stay with me. He
Get me out of here.
fine. He cool.
Hello?
Come here, baby. Come
Man.
on, baby. What's
Listen.
wrong?
You on the phone? You on the phone?
I called my side nigga cause you tripping.
Me out, bro.
Where you going, baby? Stay
Me out.
in.
I'm cool, bro.
Sean, are you serious?
I'm good, bro.
I called my side nigga cause you tripping. And he got a brother for pay.
You said you got a brother for pay.
For pay.
So you really just gonna sit there and say you got a side nigga and a brother for pay?
He got, yeah?
You heard this shit?
What?
You heard this?
Why you opening her
What?
door?
Cause I don't feel like.
Should I be his ass?
Yeah, I think so.
Should I be his ass? Bag up! Bag up! You in my space!
Give her 50
Bag
feet.
up!
For what?
Well, let me
Bag
go.
up!
Get
Do
out.
something then. Okay.
Get your homeboy!
Get out.
Don't play that!
Get out. You know how to be in the car. Get out.
Move!
What you doing? You not about
You
to leave?
better move!
You're not about to leave because I'll hang all
You
in this.
better
I'm telling you right now. 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 I'm telling you right now.
You better move!
I'm telling you right now.
Y'all better get out my car!
I'm telling you right now. I'm hanging on this bitch. I'm
Get
telling
out my car!
you. No.
Please stop.
No, but what you doing? Don't move
I
this car.
drive! I
Don't move
would
this car.
drive!
We got an old man about to go call the police. I'm telling you.
Come here.
I don't care!
Come here, man.
The fuck is your problem?
Come here.
Why
Get out the
y'all
car.
jealous?
Come here.
We got the car in park.
Why you jealous? Man.
Yeah, get out the car. You're not about to go
Come on,
nowhere.
man. If you gonna act like this, we ain't come over
You
no
wanna
more.
walk?
Get in her car.
We ain't coming over here no more.
Fuck
Get in
that
her car.
shit.
Fuck this. I can't get out.
Fuck these niggas.
I can't believe I'm getting kicked out again. This shit crazy. Fuck this shit. Where he at? He left.
We all that? What you doing?
Hey, come here.
I'm out.
I got the keys to the car, so you ain't going nowhere.
Alright. Get off!
I got the keys, so where you going?
Man.
Where your ratchet ass
That's
going?
corny.
Where your ratchet ass going?
That's corny. Get my
Where your ratchet
shit.
ass going? This ain't your shit.
I don't want to be with you. I got a nigga from the hood. So I
for
don't
real?
want to be with you.
So you want to be with me?
No.
Grabbing me and stuff.
Here.
Go get her.
Here, no,
Go
I'm
get
gonna let
her.
you go if you got a nigga from the
Go
hood.
get her.
Get out of here with this little fake ass prank.
Man, this ain't no prank. Get the fuck out of here because I'll roll you up right now. I'm not playing. I'm going to show you how real this shit is.
I'm telling you if I can't
I'ma
go
show you.
in the morning,
Come on,
I'm telling you right now,
Kay.
my feet is right here. My feet right here. You got all the, I'm telling you right now, don't
What
bag
the
up.
fuck? You broke my car?
Sound stupid as fuck.
My car broke.
So the door ain't opening?
It ain't. My locks broke.
What the fuck?
Get the fuck off. Get the fuck off
It
my
ain't gonna
car.
work with the lock. With
Get
the
the
car
fuck
parked.
off my car. My car broke. Alright. Fuck you. Fuck you. It's a prank. It's a prank.
It better be a prank.
Oh, not a car work.
Yeah, it work when you go put it in park.
It's a prank.
Hey,
Hey!
the camera on right there.
You told him it's a prank?
Oh, you was a corny cuz. You was a corny cuz. You might want to turn your camera
It's a prank.
It's a prank.
It's a prank.
off. You got me.
It was a prank.
We was ratchet together. It's a prank. This
Okay.
camera on.
I'm
Still
making
going
another
on.
video.
We ain't come back over here no more.
Good one, Niche. That was a good one. That was funny as fuck.
I'm still smacking my gun. Oh, that dope broke. That dope broke. Well, they broke my car.
They was broke. They was yanking on that door.
Like, take time.
Fuck you. All right, y'all. I can't turn this off.